Good morning. I am Dr. B. Ramanakumar, working as a professor in EC department, Swarnandra College of Engineering, Narsapuram. Today we are going to discuss about Poisson's and Laplace equations. To derive the Poisson's and Laplace equations, we need to have the support of these three set of equations, which are as point form of Gauss law, a relation between this electric field intensity and electric flux density. And the third equation that we require is the potential gradients equation, E is equal to minus del V. Let me take the first equation. Let me take the equation 1. Let me take the equation 1, which is del dot D, which equal to rho V, which our point form of Gauss law. Then take the second equation, which is the relation between the electric field intensity and the electric flux density, and substitute for the D is as epsilon E here. Then this equation is as epsilon naught E is as epsilon naught E dot D is as rho V. Then take the third equation, which is our potential gradients equation, which E equal to minus del V. Then get this minus del V in the place of E, which is as minus del V dot del is equal to rho V. Now take this epsilon to the right side. We will be having a minus del V dot del, which equal to rho V by epsilon naught. We can consider this as del V dot del, which equal to, take this negative sign to the right side, which is minus del V by epsilon naught. So this del V dot del, we can take this as del square V, which equal to minus rho V by epsilon naught. Rho V by epsilon naught. So this is the equation of Poisson's. So what the equation of Poisson stating us? Del square V is equal to minus rho V by epsilon naught. So that what is del square V? Dou by dou x square of V plus dou by dou y square of V plus dou by dou z square of V. So it's in a del square V, which is this equation is in a scalar operator. So the scalar operator upon to the scalar potential gives the volume charge density subject to the free space condition epsilon naught. So that is the Poisson's equation. Let me move to the Laplace equation. So basing on the Poisson equation, the Laplace has derived his own equation, which as the Poisson has restricted his equation, his explanation, which for the volume charge distribution, where the Laplace has extended his opinions, which up to the sheet of charge or line of charge or point charge distributions, where the Poisson has restricted his opinions which up to the volume charge distribution, where the Laplace has extended the same rule which up to the sheet of charge distribution, a line of charge distribution, as well the point charge distribution, and he has given this as del square V, which is rho V by epsilon naught minus rho V by epsilon naught, which is equal to 0. That it means there is no volume charge distribution in the free space. That means that there is no charge distribution, or there is no charge being presented in the free space. That means that there was no volume charge distribution, but there might be point charge distribution, there might be line charge distribution, there might be sheet of charge distribution, which is specified by the Laplace equation, which as del square V is equal to 0 is as our Laplace equations. So that's all about the discussion. Thank you very much.